Hi, welcome to Precision Machining Technology. My name is Steve Orlowski. I'm the department head here at Emmett Technical High School. What we're about to show you is us showcasing two of our students in the trade performing skill sets. I hope you enjoy the video.
Hi, I'm Jonathan Graff. I am a part of the Precision Machining Technology program in Emmett Technical High School. I chose Precision Machining Technology because I like making stuff with my hands. I like seeing finished products. I like looking at a print and thinking about how I can make it and bring it to reality.
I'm Naya Newell. I'm a sophomore in PMC. I originally wanted to do PMC before I even came here because I wanted to be an aerospace engineer. At first, I want to start at Sikorsky to see if I really enjoy aerospace. And if I do, then I plan on moving either to Texas or West Virginia to go to NASA.
I've learned a lot of the basics of working on manual machines like mills, lathes, saws, grinders, and we've gotten into CNC, so I've learned on CNC mills, started a little bit on CNC lathes, CNC routers. So this is an example of one of the things that we do in this shop. We start with the idea for a design that we can put into our CNC router and translate into cutting into a piece of wood or metal or plastic. So what we do, we start with Mastercam, we design the product or the part, and then we put it on a USB drive and we transfer it into a computer that is connected to this CNC router. And then the program will load in, and this is a specific part that we have loaded up. It's a line, and the software will allow you to look at the top of it, you can look at the front, the side, look at it from an angle. You can zoom in, zoom out, and it just lets you make sure that the design is actually what you want and make sure that the tool is actually gonna, not crash into the part and do the right things that you want it to.
Besides basic skills like drilling holes and diameters and stuff, I've learned to cut angles on mills and stuff like that. It's so fun. It may seem intimidating at first with all the machines and stuff, but once you get in here, it's so much easier to use. But it's definitely fun. The relationships you get in here are irreplaceable. It's amazing. I have grown a liking to the mill, but I think the lathe and I will be besties. I love math, and I think with cylindrical parts or circular parts, it's a lot more math to do. Whereas with a mill, you have the coordinates on there. You're just turning the thing a certain amount. So I think doing the calculations, getting to drill and do a bunch more on the lathe is a lot more fun. So here we're making a cloth using the plasma machine, and in order to create it, we're going to highlight it like that, pull up our machine, and before we make it, we're going to put our glasses on, and then we'll hit cut. Being a female in this trade is empowering. Sometimes I'll walk to my machine I'm a female in this shop and I'm doing good. It is a little challenging because some people won't take you seriously in the real world, or they'll think less of you because you're a female. But I do think that it's a good challenge, but it'll definitely contribute to the diversity of trades.
I would say to come to Emmett because you're granted a lot of opportunities that normal high school just doesn't have. You get to learn a trade. You have a very big advantage over people who aren't able to learn trades in high school, and that gives you a competitive edge.
We did have a guest come in, and he talked to us about what he did and how the shop industry is like. I think it's amazing. You get real world experience from them.
When you get out of high school, and even when you're in high school, you can get a good paying job in a developing field. I work at Emmett Dynamics in Connecticut. They make parts for boat control systems. We make a lot of stainless steel parts. They get put on boats. And they have to be to tight tolerances because obviously they're getting pushed to their limits in the water. Yeah, I think that I will remain in machining because I really enjoy it. It's a growing trade. There's going to be more and more opportunities as the trade gets more advanced.